SkipperBud's taking you through the 2022 Tahoe 2385 Cascade Platinum. This boat comes with a brand new Mid-America tandem axle bunk trailer and is equipped with a Suzuki 200 horse, plenty of power. This boat has received almost no usage. So very gently used. You'll see back here a giant swim platform along with a storage trunk. Convertible seating area here, currently in a large sunpad, but can be removed. That centerpiece, make a horseshoe. Cup holders throughout. Center locker storage. Two large screens, Garmin screen along with your Suzuki screen. And upgraded Fusion audio. LEDs throughout. Upgraded sound system. This boat is located in Sturgeon Bay. Call ahead to schedule your showing today.